Namaste children, I am Susan Bridget sending you the video for computer science. The second unit is memory and storage, and the chapter which we are going to see is external memory. So already we know memory can be classified into two, primary memory and secondary memory. We learned primary memory already. Our topic today is secondary memory. So under primary we have RAM and ROM. Under secondary we have hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. So once again the definition is given here. Primary storage is storage provided by memory in a computer, example ROM or RAM. Secondary storage is storage provided by peripheral devices other than memory, which is portable. So here is the picture of various secondary storage devices. What is our storage device, children? Our storage devices are cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerator, school bag, etc. Computer uses various storage devices. It varies in storage capacity even. For example, you can see the picture. We have so many like a hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. These are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. Why do we need the secondary storage device? It is used to store information for a longer period. It is very important because internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity. So we are using this secondary storage devices. We can call this as external memory also. Okay, so the next is, already we know this, it's a small recap. Units of computer memory measurements. Just have a look on it. And here comes the real topic, hard disk. As we saw that in the picture, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive. Is it? So first is the hard disk. What you are seeing a laptop hard disk. Why do we need this hard disk? It is the main storage medium for computers. It is fixed inside the CPU. It can hold a large amount of data. It is made up of multiple disks, hot platters of metal. Data is recorded both the sides of the disk. We can see that disk. Nowadays portable hard disks are available. We can store up to 2 terabytes to 5 terabyte data. Okay, so once again it's about a hard disk. You are seeing a picture. And the next is CD, compact disc. It is an optical storage device. It is a shiny circular disc. We know it very well. We can store up to 700 MB of data in this CD. CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. To access data from it, we need to place it in CD drive first. So CD drive, which is located in the front panel of CPU box. And the next is DVD, digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is also an optical storage for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. We use these DVDs. Though it is similar to a CD in size and shape, it can store 6 times more than a CD. Storage capacity varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. Clear? So a small differentiation here. You can see the primary storage and secondary storage. The rubrics are capacity, access speed, cost, portability. When we compare like this, capacity wise, primary is small, secondary is large. Access speed, primary very fast, secondary medium. Cost per MB, it's very expensive in primary storage, whereas in secondary it's very cheap. Portability, it is fixed in our systems. Secondary, portable, wherever we go we can carry it. a need. It's compulsory. It's essential to have it in our system. Secondary is our choice. It's alternative. Thank you, children.